What up, Smart Rapper Gang? I'm Rob Level. First, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you something. In this video, I'm going to tell you something that you probably can go, get out of here. You probably click the video like, okay, all right, prove it. Okay.
Yes, baby.
That's right, baby. I'm about to prove it to you. So as anybody who knows about Smart Rapper knows, this isn't a YouTube channel. This is a full-out business. I have many employees. I have an entire office, people coming to work Monday through Friday. I've spent over $1 million building this company. Waka Flocka just put some numbers on the table, talking about $250,000 potentially investing into it. This isn't a joke. This is a real company, guys. Okay? And I'm building it with all my heart. Either way, that sounded corny, but it's true. But I want to talk about the proof of why Smart Rapper is better than a label deal. More than just saying it, the proof. One of my employees that used to work for me thought that it would be a better opportunity for him to go work for Roddy Ricch's company, okay? He stopped working for me, and I understood. I said, hey, all good, man. He's a real good guy, by the way, super good guy. I said, hey, man, I understand, bro. You wanna go over there? Do it, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? If you feel like it's a better opportunity, because he wanted to be a music manager. I was like, well, that's probably a better job for you. Saying, do what you gotta do, bro. I respect the hustle. So I lost a good guy. He went over there, started working for them. And when he was over there, he then came back to us and he told us, he said, everything that you're teaching artists in your master classes and in the Rapper Shortcut and on your channel with these videos, the same exact fundamentals and all of the things that you teach everybody and all these secrets and these strategies, are the same things they're telling all of the artists signed to this management company, including Roddy Ricch, to do. The moment that he came back and told me that, I knew it. Right? Because all I do is try to find more information, do everything. And remember, I did all this myself by making mistakes, trying to learn these things. And it took me a long time to find this stuff out. So the moment he said that to me, this feeling of, I did it right, I did learn it right, I learned it, I knew it, and I knew I was teaching people the right thing. I knew it, I knew what I knew. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't know that I knew what I knew until I knew that I knew, because he told me that he knew when he worked for them and they know that I know. No, trying to follow, okay, that's a rabbit hole, don't even with it. Don't even with that one. Something like that, but I know. But the point is that I know that I was doing it right. You know what I'm saying? And I know that I'm teaching you guys right. And it just made me feel like, okay, cool. And that means when I'm giving you guys this information and when I'm giving you guys in the Rapper Shortcut, it's right. It's the right stuff. Anyway, I want to jump to a live call. We said this inside of a live call with members of the Rapper Shortcut, because when you have the Rapper Shortcut, you actually get on 24 different live calls with me that are all at least an hour long. But that's available again now. We just relaunched it. It's a year long. It only takes 4 hours a week. It's super affordable for music artists. I'll put a link below for that. You can also get the free blueprint by going to that page. Links are below. But I want to show you this live call where we're actually talking about this, okay? Because my COO, who used to work for Disney, and she has an Ivy League degree from Columbia, New York, top 10 school, she's actually on these calls too to help you guys. And on the call, she explains this, and it's beautiful. Let's just jump to that. I'll stop talking. Let's go.
We had someone that worked for us, and then he left our company to go work for Roddy Ricch's management company. And he came back and he said, they just do the things that you tell your people to do. He was like, I can 100% say that's all they do.
He sure did say that.
And I was like,
ta-da! Like, right? And I bet you I know more than they do.
No, I know.
What they have is just a massive budget and a major. That's it. There's a difference.
Like it's just the same thing.
The difference with being independent, I've had to go through every struggle that none of the CEOs and any of the labels ever had to do. Only thing that they have that I don't have is a connection to somebody that they have to pay to do it. And guess what? When you all get the money, you can pay that motherfucker too. Okay? All we have is data on things that are working. And that data, that doesn't matter enough, because when things come out, I can look at it and see things like, cool, all right, that worked, tweak that. Bro, not a big deal. Like, the labels don't have any more power than you have. They just have the ability to pay the people and know who to pay.
Yeah, they have a bunch of money, but like, money can't buy quality. Look at every popular person that's ever had a flop song or like a bad music video. Like, money can't, without like a vision and direction to it.
And the foundation, it just won't work.
That Justin Timberlake album where he like got so many downvotes on his Super Bowl performance. Like, you can't, even if you're like whatever. But yeah, like, that just goes to show you guys is that I don't want you to think about your life as a destination where when you reach it, you'll be happy. When you get your label deal, then you'll get all the secret stuff. Then I'm saving up my life till I get to that point. Don't do that, because it's not coming. Like, it's all going to be about the actual journey on your way there. You don't need to be so focused on this thing and give all your power away to this thing that you don't have yet. You have what you need right now. You just need to do it.
Again, the moment that I saw this stuff, I was blown away. I was so happy to hear that, come out of somebody's mouth. And, and I had actually forgotten that. And then she told everybody in the Rapper Shortcut that again. And I was like, that's right. I forgot about that. It's beautiful. But either way, telling you guys, I can show you the path to the top. And this is the proof. If you guys want to check out the Rapper Shortcut, right? Get the free blueprint as well below. I'll put it as the top link and I'll put it in the description. When you go to the page, it'll say download your free guide. So you go to that page, check out the Rapper Shortcut, and then you get the free guide right at the top, okay? It's the pathway right to the top for success. Everything you're gonna have to learn, everything you're gonna have to do. I hope this video showed you that by watching my videos, you were on the right path and that this was the right thing to be doing. Made me feel like it was the right thing for me to be doing too when I heard it, all right? Please hit me with a comment, please hit me with a like, please hit me with a subscribe. Right. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Keep hustling, gang. Get your blueprint below, and I'll see you at the top.
Well, yeah. Level.